linear equations with distribution level 2. All right, so let's check it out. Ooh, it's a doozy. So we've got 2 times the quantity of negative 5x minus 4 minus 4 minus x minus 4 equals negative 111. So let's hop over to our sketch pad. Let's copy that over. 2 times the quantity negative 5x minus 4. You hear the goblins in the background. Sorry, minus x minus 4 minus x minus 4 equals negative 111. All right, so solving this with distribution. Let's double check that I've written it correctly. I think it's good. Okay, so solving this with distribution, we're going to start off by distributing the 2 through. So 2 times negative 5x and 2 times negative 4, and then I've got negative x minus 4 equals negative 111. And I'm going to go ahead and do the multiplication. So 2 times negative 5 gives me negative 10x, and 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Hey, Ella, baby, I'm in the middle of doing math problems with my algebra students. Okay. So now at this point, I've done my distribution, so I've gotten rid of those parentheses, and I want to go ahead and combine my like terms. So I see I've got this negative 10x and a negative x, and I've got this negative 8 and this negative 4. So I'm going to use my commutative property of addition to rearrange my equation. Negative 10x plus negative x plus negative 8 plus negative 4 equals negative 111. And I can go ahead and combine my like terms. Negative 10x plus negative x is negative 11x, and negative 8 plus negative 4 is negative 12 equals negative 111. All right, so now at this point, it's just a 2-step equation, and I can start, I've simplified as much as I can, and I can start doing my inverse operations to try and get x by itself. So I'm going to do that by thinking through PEMDAS backwards, right? So the first thing I'm going to get rid of is the added or subtracted term from my variable. So the opposite of this negative 12 is going to be to add 12. If I do it to one side of my equal sign, I do it to both sides. So I have negative 11x plus negative 12 plus 12 is 0. That's my self-check along the way. And I've got this negative 111 plus 12. So it's going to give me negative 99. So negative 11x equals negative 99. Now, I'm still trying to get x by itself, so I'm going to do the opposite of multiplying by negative 11, which is dividing by negative 11. And if I do it to one side of my equal sign, I do it to both. So negative 11 divided by negative 11 is 1x, and negative 99 divided by negative 11, well, 2 negatives make a positive, and 99 divided by 11 is 9. Of course, my last step, as always, is to check my work by plugging back in. So 2 times negative 5, 2 times 9 minus 4. I told you guys I live in a tornado. Minus 9 minus 4 equals negative 111. All right, so I'm going to follow PEMDAS. Now I'm going to do PEMDAS. Right, to simplify, right? So I'm going to do what's inside my parentheses first. So I'm going to multiply and then subtract. So negative 5 times 9 is negative 45. Minus 9 minus 4 is negative 111. Then negative 45 minus 4 gives me negative 49. And if you're struggling to think which way do you go, think about it as you owe your friend $45 from Monday and you owe your friend $4 from Tuesday. So how much do you owe your friend, right? We always seem to do better with addition and subtraction when it's in terms of money. Okay, now I'm going to multiply 2 times negative 49 to get negative 98 minus 9 minus 4, and I'm hoping that I'm going to get to negative 111. Negative 98 minus 9 is negative 107 It's negative 111. And negative 107 minus 4, that's negative 111, is equal to negative 111. And I just made it before I ran out of room. Hey, I know that negative 111 is equal to negative 111 is a true statement. It balances out, so that works and tells me that yes, x equals 9 is my answer. I'm going to go ahead and type in my 9, enter, enter, and voila. That's linear equations, solving linear equations with distribution level 2.